What you are about to listen to is going to be the best part of making women chase you. We've seen quite a few men who are very popular among women. Want to be one of them? Well, it's easy if you follow these simple steps which I'm about to tell you. These are those few skills when mastered can make women chase you like crazy. Very few men know how to subconsciously trigger women into chasing them, and in this video, I'm about to tell you how. So, let's get started. These are the ways in which you can make women chase you. Number 1, use your body language. If you want to get women to chase you, using suitable and appropriate body language is probably one of the best ways to go. It's effortless, but the only thing is, to know some tricks. The most important method to never forget is confident eye contact. Make strong and confident eye contact every time you talk to women. That's how you'll show her that you are interested in her. This also signals your confidence in matching eyes with women. If she is also looking you directly in the eyes, it means she likes you too. Smiling while talking to her is the key. A smile associated with confident eye contact helps you look more relaxed and friendly. Your posture says most about your appearance and active socialization. It says a lot about your confidence. If you slouch, it indirectly conveys you're less confident being socialized. Number 2, your work is more important. Spend a reasonable time with your date. Don't let her feel like she is the only woman in this entire world, and you are desperate about her. Make most time for your career. Women want men to make the most time for their goals and achievements. A man should show importance to his future and his upcoming family. A high-value man never wastes time for a woman. He gives more priority to his work than anything else. Focus on your work and goals. Hang out with friends more. Go on a few trips, and show her that you've got a life, which is a lot more interesting than her. Number 3, learn to say no. A people pleaser is never liked by any woman. If you start saying yes to anything and everything she says, women feel like you are of low value. You should have a strong opinion of yours, and you should stand on it. If you have any work, just say no to her. Do not cancel your plans just to please her. If you're not okay with something she suggests, just say that you disagree with whatever she just said. Even if she gets mad, you should never change your opinion. If you want a woman to chase you, don't be afraid to disagree with her. Number 4, making her jealous. To get girls to chase you, you have to make them jealous sometimes. Don't get me wrong, this doesn't mean that you have to date other girls just to make her jealous. There are plenty of other ways to make a woman jealous. For example, you can like and comment on photos and reels of other women on Instagram, or talk to other girls while she is near. Once again, you have to be careful and don't overdo it in making her jealous. She might strike back and start making you jealous. Worst case scenario, she might think that you are not interested in her, or that you're not boyfriend material because you flirted with other girls, causing her to end the game and move on. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.